What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, you guys. It is the 24th of April. Happy birthday, Jesse James, if you're watching. I don't know if you're watching, bro, but happy birthday, man. It is the 24th. We have about 21 hours, 23 minutes left in the day. $93.4 thousand is the price right now. Let's see here. Let's see. Volume's looking all right. We did not move a whole lot yesterday. We are in this position right now, and not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm not saying this has to happen, but we're in a position right now where we could drop back down to about 89,500, 86,500 or so, maybe even down to 86K. It's possible. I'm not calling for that. I'm not expecting that to happen. If it happens, I'm not going to be like, I told you it was going to happen. No, I'm just saying it's possible. I'm making you address of it. What I am saying is going to happen is that I don't care if we go lower. I don't care if we move sideways. Inevitably, it all points to the same direction. We're going higher. We're going higher, right? That's the expectation. We could drop down to the 236 from a relative low to a relative high here. We held the 236 as support, very nice. From that same low to this high, if we were to go to that area, that's at $89,500. We really could see that, but I'm not expecting that necessarily. If we're looking at this at on the RSI over the past couple of days has been in the overbought zone. We've just freshly gotten into the overbought zone. Generally speaking, if you get in and you get out the next day, that's how you know if this is kind of like a rejection of the overbought zone, especially if it's a more shallow pierce through. This doesn't seem so shallow, and it wasn't the next day that we got out. So I think we have more follow through to go. We could consolidate a little bit here. You never know what's going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised in the least if we got some more follow through over the coming days. Today, in fact, could be a very, very good day. If we're looking at this on a 4-hour basis, 4-hour RSI has gotten overbought, found support at the overbought zone and continued to grow. We might not be done here, or if we are done, we certainly aren't showing any signs of exhaustion. I don't know why I can't talk. If we move up from here, we get some kind of double top. If we move up from here, we get a higher high. That still puts us in a position where we could diverge and slowly see some lower highs. And as we get those lower highs, we still will be building. So ultimately, I don't think Bitcoin's anywhere near finished. I don't think that we're anywhere near finished with this move. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we went down to 89.5K. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we went to 86K. And it also wouldn't surprise me at all if we were moving up from here. We don't have to move lower. We don't have to consolidate. A lot of people are stuck in this mentality of what we've gone through over the past few months, right? You go up, you go down. That's it. Any day, any 2 days you go up, you go down. This is different though, right? I made a post. I didn't make a post. I commented on somebody, whoever it was on X.com. They're talking about this being a dump or a high, just like any other high in this range since January. We're just going to sell this pump like we have every other one. My response to that was that would imply that this pump is just like the rest of them. It's not. It's not like the rest of them at all. It's completely unlike the rest of them, and it's in a much more bullish. We can see it. The indicators. We don't just have to look at our eyes or look with our eyes. We can see the indicators showing that this is different. This is clearly different. We've broken out of the downtrend. It's clearly different than anything else. Sentiment is changing. We've got higher levels of greed than we have. This, by the way, don't look at this coin. This coin is trash. By the way, I think I've got scammers requesting me to look at it. If you're not a scammer and you're requesting me to look at it, and I'm not trying to insult you, but that coin is trash. Stay away from that coin, you guys. I'm not going to talk about that coin because it's absolute garbage, and I don't want people getting screwed over. No offense, right? I don't mean it to be offensive. I want to protect my viewers. There's a reason why I don't shill coins. I don't get paid to talk about coins. There's a reason why I don't promote exchanges. I don't want my viewers to get screwed over, right? I'm very big on that. So do not. That coin that I was just looking at, whatever it is, it's a piece of crap. It's a scam. Do not buy it. Okay, it's not a secret new gem or anything like that. Okay, but fear and greed index here. I'll watch that sometimes. Right? I'll look at other YouTubers. What were you just looking at? Why aren't we talking about that? We're on the fear and greed index here. We're at higher levels than we've been really since January, guys. It's been a long time. I think maybe that's the highest levels we've been at since January. Let's see. Actually, we can actually observe that. I'm pretty sure if it loads. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't been at readings like this since January, actually. Okay. Anyways, carrying on, moving on. Where were we? I very much do believe that this move is going to be faster than what a lot of people are expecting. I think that we've got some kind of syndrome from this downward torrential spell that we had for about 3 months here, from January until early April, right? I think that people think that just because we're moving up, we have to move down, but that's not the case, man. We moved up here. Did we move down? No, we moved sideways. We're moving up here. We're just breaking out. We're just cutting loose, guys. It's the first time we've cut loose in a while. Cut loose the goose. The goose is gonna fly, man. The goose is loose and it's on the run, man. It's on the ascension. And I personally think that if you were to find resistance at the golden ratio, you would have done so already. I think that you would have gone down. So not financial advice, not a financial advisor. If today's not a red day, likely it's going to be a green day, and we're pushing. We might break through $100,000 today, the 24th of April. If not, maybe the 25th, but soon. By the end of this month, we're expected to be above 100K. By the end of this month, I'm still calling for 111K by the end of the month. That's been the prediction we've had since the beginning of the month, since the first. We're sticking with it until the end. We're in a good position now for it. You can't move up that much in that amount. Hell yeah, we can, man. We've seen that kind of movement before. We've seen that kind of growth before. And that correlates perfectly with my thought that this move will happen faster than people expect. I don't think anybody's expecting this move to move as fast as it is. And that's because we have like bearish Stockholm syndrome over here. Let's look at this. Shout out to all the Swedes out there. If we're looking at this, let's see. 4-hour RSI looks very, very bullish. That's right. Yes, we're in a very bullish posturing. You're overbought. That's not a problem. It's okay if we're overbought. The volume's dying off. Well, we're consolidating. It's not a problem if we're consolidating. It's fine. You should have lower volume if you're consolidating than if you're moving up. That's how it should be. 1-hour RSI cooling way the hell off, guys. Cooling way the hell off. We've got a diamond pattern here. This is a diamond top. It really is. It truly is a diamond top on the 1 hour. The last couple of diamond tops Bitcoin's have provided some downside, but the bright side about this is a 1 hour diamond top. It's not that significant. If we go down, it's very possible that we rip back up with high velocity to the upside, and we could even go to the upside, man. It's possible we go to the upside and then rip down. Diamond patterns are known for volatile, high velocity moves whenever you break out. So if we do happen to see prices below 92K, don't be worried about it. If we see prices above 94K, don't get too excited. It's possible we could throw it back. The diamond patterns are known for throwbacks after the breakout. They really are. But ultimately, I do think that this is going to lead to much higher price action. We've cooled way the hell off in the RSI, overbought, lower lows in the RSI, no lower lows in the price. It's just higher lows. Hidden bullish divergence is what that is called, if I could talk right. And it oftentimes implies continuation, not a reversal, but continuation. So all that to say, we've got higher to go. The calling is higher and higher we will go. That's all I got for you. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. The goal, the ultimate goal by the end of the month, you guys. 6 days, 22 hours left. The ultimate goal, I don't care how high we go. If we could at least close above $102,500, if we can at least get above there, what's significant about that is for one, we're bullishly engulfing this candle. But the really significant thing is we're engulfing this whole damn range with one candle. 1 month. We wipe away all of our sins over the past 4 months. Literally, it's gone. It's just evaporated. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. If we close above this line here, we're closing above the past 5 months closing points in 1 month. Half a year's worth of price action in 1 month, right? That's a bullish signal. So if there's anything that we're going to be focusing on, I don't care how high we go. The call is 111K, but I really want to see us. The goal is to close above 102.4K. If we don't get it, that's fine, but it's a powerful, very powerful signal if we do, and we want that. We want to see that. It's not too far away. We're getting there closer every single day. We'll see how it goes. I got nothing else for you. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. You know the rest. Bye-bye.